Excuse me, sorry. It's good. Well, guys, this is what I do, at least for these. Okay. No, I'm okay. Well, at least for these few days, I'll be studying like this. Okay. And I am a D student. I am not. Excuse me. I am not a smart student, so this is how I'll progress. Hopefully, I'll become an A student one day. Actually, I did initially, like before I enter university, I was a good student, but I don't know, for some reason my life tumbled down and I'm like, ugh. So this is my goal for now. My goal for now is to reinstantiate myself again, like, and remake myself to that person that I want to be. I want to be better student, not for the sake of others, not for the sake of my teacher, but for the sake of myself. And thank you guys for viewing this video, and subscribe to Girl in the Galaxy for low quality videos like this, which are sometimes boring. And it's 5 minutes now. I don't know how did that happen. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and new videos are gonna come up. They're gonna be a bit better than this, and yes, we're gonna have an intro and an outro, a better one, not like some random shit that always happens in my channel. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope you all are fine, and bye. I hope my nose is okay now. Bye, guys. Take care and see you.